Let me introduce myself. My name is Ankush. I am CEO and founder of Learnomet Technologies. I have around 13 plus years of experience working with the companies like Cognizant, Infosys, Wipro, LTI, and some mid-scale companies. Okay. So most of my experience was in Oracle database administration and different databases and cloud. Fine. So I hope some of you people already know me. Some of you, like most of the people I can see from my previous batches only, which is like recently we completed our Oracle DBA. So most of the people are from there. But today we are here to talk about a very, very important technology. We called it as a Oracle RAC environment, RAC. So what is Oracle RAC? Why we need this Oracle RAC? Why everyone is talking about the Oracle RAC, right? So let's try to understand about that. So when we talked about the Oracle DBA, especially we learned about the single instance database. What we discuss? We discuss about the single instance database. So let me share my screen. Thoda practically dekhenge, okay? So that will be much easy. Okay, so when we discuss about the database administration, what we have seen, we got the server. Okay, we got the server where my database instance is running. So you consider that my instance number 1, which is connected to my database. Under this database, I have my database related files are there, like SP file, control files, data files, arc.log, all these files are there, correct? Now when we talked about this server, like obviously it's like you have operating system. Now you can use Oracle Linux, or you can use Red Hat Linux, or maybe you have some boxes like Exadata boxes are there, right? Now what happened here? Let's take an example. You got some issues with your operating system. Okay, let's take an example. You got some issues with your operating system. Your operating system got corrupted, or let's say there is some disaster kind of situations occurred. Okay, so whenever the disaster kind of situations occurred, like you take an example, nowadays the war situation is going on, everyone is behind the war. Like then we have US, like recently I was just seeing the news, like I think some of the data centers has been destroyed from Dubai location, and it got impacted to the AWS. So let's take an example. We have this server which is available in some particular location, like just take an example, Dubai only. And here you got some disaster kind of situations like war, flood, earthquake, anything. So obviously this server will not be able to connect, right? This server will be out of our reach. And we got the situation like, okay, you cannot access this server as of now. So obviously when this server is not accessible, your instance will be down, correct? When your instance goes down, now whatever database you have, you will not be able to access these database related tables because your server is down. Your instance is getting connected to the database, and if your instance goes down, you will not be able to access your database. I have a situations like this database is very important for me. I have a situations like this database, the database to which the applications are connected. These applications are very, very critical application. Basically, these are the banking application. These are the banking applications are there. The client is saying that, boss, I'm ready to spend as much as money you want. I don't have a problem with the money. It's just like I don't want a downtime. आप पैसा मांगो जितना मांगना है. I don't want a downtime. That's the main scenario. I don't want a downtime. That's the main problem, you know. So when the client is saying that I don't want a downtime, we need some solution which will provide me disaster recovery solution. I want some disaster recovery solution. So Oracle has come up with some disaster recovery solutions like, what are those? We have DataGuard, we have Oracle RAC also, RAC. Disaster recovery solution. Among that, apart from this, there are multiple other solutions are also there. Like we talked about the Golden Gate also, we talked about the Exadata machines. We like again, cloud is also providing a lot of different solutions among that. But now we are focusing on Oracle RAC. So what Oracle RAC is saying that you don't use single instance. Earlier, we were talking about the single instance database only. Single instance means you have one database instance, only one database instance. So instead of using one database instance, you can use multiple database instance now. What you can do, don't use a single database instance, use multiple database instance. So instead of having one server, let's have a multiple server. Like I have a server where my instance 1 is running, I have a server where my database instance number 2 is running, but these instances are sharing a same database, and they are connected to the same database which is on shared location. Now this shared location can be your Oracle ASM. So in this location, my SP file, control files, data files, archive logs, apart from this there are other important files are available which is in ASM. So this storage is basically your shared location. Normally we configured it as Oracle ASM. Now if I consider the previous example earlier, if my instance 1 goes down, let's say this is available in some location, if my instance 1 goes down, no problem, I have a second instance over here through which the people can connect, because I can access this database from instance number 1 also, I can access this database from instance number 2 also. This is a shared location na? So I have two ways to access this database instance. If my, let's say I want to go to my home, and there are two ways are there to go to my home. If the first way is blocked, no problem, I can go by the second way also. And this setup we called it as a Oracle RAC environment. Here we are getting the high availability. We use the terminology called high availability based on instance level. So if you are looking for instance level high availability, we are using Oracle RAC environment. But if you want database level high availability, like if say that, okay, what if the database itself goes down? So if you want database level high availability, you want one more database, so you can use, if you want database level high availability, you can use a software called DataGuard. Now some of you might be asking, like, can we use the combination of Oracle RAC plus a DataGuard? Yes, it is possible, and that we are going to see with this course. So why everyone is not using the Oracle RAC environment? Yes, especially when you talked about the banking sector, they will always go with the Oracle RAC environment, RAC. They will definitely use that. Why? Because they are getting the high availability. But one more problem with the Oracle RAC is it is a costly also, you know. Earlier I was using one server, assuming that one server which is of cost, just mota I'm saying 40 lakh. Now I need to spend 40 lakh again here also. Licensing cost is also there. So those clients who are thinking that they are much worried about their high availability, they are much worried about the availability, they don't worried about the cost, especially banking only. They will always go with the Oracle RAC environment. Till now, whatever we discuss, are you able to understand, guys? Till now, whatever we discuss, are you able to understand? Can you please use the chat option? Are you able to use the chat option? Let me cross check. You can use that, guys. Great. Dheeraj is saying yes. Prakash, Sunesh, Satish, Raish, good. Atma, Kamlesh, Javed, Henry, Omkar, Maheshwari, Fatima. Great. Everyone is able to understand. Great. You guys are understanding very clearly. Okay, nice. Deepa, Sandeep, Henry is saying yes. Prakash is saying yes. Rakesh is saying yes. Suraj is saying yes. Great. So you people are understanding very clearly. Very nice. Okay. Now, if you take the example, if you just talk about the current job market, okay. I was just, before this class also, I was just going to the naukri.com. I was just checking some of the LinkedIn posts also. Wherever the Oracle DBA vacancies are coming, only Oracle DBA is not sufficient to crack the interview and to get the good package now. There were a time where if you have a knowledge about the Oracle DBA, let's say you know the basic concept of Oracle DBA like RMAN backup, export import, architecture, installation, you're good to start your career as a Oracle DBA. But if you want in this era, in the current generation, if you are expecting a good package of Oracle DBA, then you need to add on one skill along with the Oracle DBA, that is Oracle RAC environment. RAC is compulsory nowadays. Compulsory. Even though you are 2+ years, 1+ years, Oracle RAC is compulsory nowadays. So you should have knowledge about the Oracle DBA plus Oracle RAC. Now, some of you may be asking me like, can I directly join the Oracle RAC environment without having a knowledge of Oracle DBA? Then what I want to do, I just want to save some money. So that is not possible. Okay, if you want to start your career as a database administrator, especially Oracle database administrator, the concept is very clear. Now, if someone is here who don't know about the Oracle, don't join this Oracle RAC environment. If you want to start your career, the roadmap I'm saying, the roadmap of Oracle DBA is, first of all, you should have understanding about the Oracle DBA, that is core Oracle DBA. That's compulsory required. If you have a knowledge about the Oracle core DBA, then and only then you can join my Oracle RAC batch, which we are starting very soon. This RAC, the one which I'm talking about now. So the roadmap is very clear. First, you need to start from Oracle core DBA plus Oracle RAC. So those people who are thinking that I have done with the Oracle DBA training, or I already have a knowledge about the Oracle DBA, then and only then join the Oracle RAC environment. Because the fundamentals are very strong. The fundamentals are very much required if you want to go anywhere. Let's say in future also you want to understand about OCI, Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, then also Oracle Core DB is required. If you want to understand about the Golden Gate also, then also these Oracle Core DBA concepts are required. Then and only then you can come back to the here. So basically those people who are thinking that they want to start their career into the Oracle database administration, they want to switch the career into the database administration, Oracle RAC is compulsory nowadays. Oracle RAC is compulsory. Without Oracle RAC, nowadays it is very difficult to get a good opportunity. Very difficult. And if you want, you can just go and check any requirement. Like let's say I'm going here, and if you're talking about Oracle DBA, it's openings, okay, in Pune location or wherever, Oracle DBA jobs. If you see any openings, right, let's say I can see the openings are coming for Barclay, okay. Oracle RAC you will see everywhere. Even if you are opening Naukri profile also, Oracle RAC you will see everywhere. Like I see a lot of vacancies are coming for TCS nowadays, and this is the time, you know, normally where you can start your career into the, or you can switch the company. This is a time. This is the time, because most of the time you will see here, if you go here, read more, Oracle RAC is there. So these are all things which we cover normally in our Oracle Core DBA, and RAC is very much important. Right now, this is a perfect time to switch your career, because you will see a lot of openings are coming. Again, the people will, if you are going at the end of the year, you will not see that. So you can see here many vacancies are coming, like even the Barclay, which is your obviously one of the finest bank which pay you a lot, they are also hiring. Accenture is hiring, FIS is hiring, Barclays, TCS, see a lot of vacancies are there as of now. Zensar is there, Infosys is there, right? A lot of vacancies you can see here, Simpac, SRS. So basically, if you check any job profile, okay, if you check any job profile, you will see that Oracle RAC is important. If you see here, Oracle RAC is quite very important. Okay, so that's how the industry works as of now. Okay, and apart from this, again, directly going to the Oracle RAC is not something which is going to be beneficial to use. Okay, so what about the data guard? Yeah, data guard is also very important, but normally In this course, we are going to cover Oracle RAC plus data guard also. So data guard ASM is the part of this training only. So we will configure our data guard setup also along with the Oracle RAC environment. So data guard is also very important topic, especially when you are thinking that I want to jump to the or I want to switch the career. Man, this is the perfect time, guys. Okay. So Oracle data guard, obviously, which will be the part of this training. We are going to configure Oracle RAC also, which is again the part of training. Oracle ASM, which is the part of your training also. It's already there. Okay. So we are going to cover that one also. Somebody is saying, Abhikan is saying, Vivek is saying, nowadays the job description contain multiple DBs along with the cloud Python and as well as everything. That's like the competition is higher, definitely. There were a time, you know, the people were just hiring Oracle DB, and nowadays, if you want to understand something, I'll tell you one suggestion, guys. Along with the Oracle DBA, obviously you need to understand Oracle DBA. So Oracle DBA is your primary skill. Along with the Oracle DBA, if you want to understand now, which will be booming in the market in future as well as booming now also, start learning about the PostgreSQL also. PostgreSQL is also very good, and nowadays people are not hiring special PostgreSQL database administrator. The person who is having Oracle DBA knowledge, the same person will handle the PostgreSQL databases also. Same person. Now I was talking about, like, if you see my screen, you can see this black screen, right? So I was talking about this. These are all commands. What you see on my screen, these are all commands are related to the PostgreSQL only. I'm talking about the replication. Just like in Oracle, we have data guard is there, right? Similar way in PostgreSQL, we have a concept called replication also. Both are same to same database almost 90-95%. If you know Oracle DBA, if you know Oracle RAC environment, all those knowledge you can implement in PostgreSQL also. Similar kind of things you will see here. See, you can see insert command, in select. So if someone is saying that, okay, I want to understand one more extra database in my resume, keep it that. Keep your Oracle stack as your primary skill set. Along with that, learn one open source database called PostgreSQL also, which is really booming in the market. And you will get, if you have a combination of these two technology, you can get a good opportunity in the market. Very good. Everyone, are you able to understand what I'm trying to say? Everyone, please fill up the form also, which is available in the chat option. Are you able to understand till now whatever I'm saying till now? Okay, please fill up the form, guys, which is available in the chat option. Please do that. Okay, please do that. Okay, now, so what we are going to cover, let me talk about that one also. So if you go to our website, this is our official website, learnomet.org. Okay, so this is our official website, learnomet.org. So yeah, right now we have around 1 lakh subscriber on our YouTube channel. We have around 50,000 followers on my Instagram. We have around 4.9 ratings provided by almost 2,000 people. Okay, that's all about us. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do that. If you go here, Oracle RAC DBA training is there. Scroll it down. So you can see the complete syllabus over here about the Oracle RAC. Okay. So the course duration, everything you can see it over here. Okay. So yeah, these are our placements. These are the course certification you will get. This is me. And this is the complete syllabus which I have discussed here. What is, we will talk about the Oracle RAC architecture, installation, ASM, data guard. Okay. The backup recovery, how it is different. Then we have patching activity, multi-tenant architecture, everything we are going to cover with this course. Okay. So if you have, if you are interested to start your journey as a Oracle DBA with the Learnomet, you can fill up this form. You can fill up the form which is available in the chat option. And if you guys have any questions regarding the training, you can ask me, and you can unmute and you can ask me regarding this training. If you have any questions regarding this training, you can ask me. Do you have any question, guys, for me? If you have anything, you can just unmute and you can ask me about this training. You can unmute now. Fine, I can see that. You guys can do that. Till now, whatever we discuss, able to understand now. We will talk about the Oracle RAC architecture also very soon. But remember, believe me, RAC is very important nowadays. Yes, please. Someone is saying.
Yeah, hi, this is Sandeep here.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I just wanted to know whether class recordings are available in case
Yeah, the
we miss
recordings will be
any
available.
class
Yeah,
recordings are available.
yeah. So this is a live class actually.
Okay.
First thing, along with the live class, we will also record the lecture
Yeah.
also. The recording will be available on the same day or next day, most probably. Okay.
Okay.
Next day is for
So how long it will be available?
for
The
1 year.
recording
1 year. What for?
for 1 year. Okay. Yeah.
That's more than enough. Like just to brush up the things.
Okay. And the class timing is 8:30
8 p.m. to 9 p.m. only.
something, right? You
No,
are
8
mentioning
p.m. है कि
8
9? 1 minute, let me cross check. 7 p.m. है एक तो 8 p.m. है. I think it's 7 p.m. guys.
PM or AM?
7 p.m. to 8 p.m.
7 PM
PM.
every day.
7 p.m.
Okay.
IST. 7 p.m. IST.
Monday to
7
Friday
p.m.
or only
IST
weekend?
to 8 p.m. IST. हाँ.
Is it Monday to Friday or
Monday to Thursday.
only weekend?
Monday to
Monday
Thursday.
to Thursday.
Because we have a lot of practicals
Oh,
are there. So many people are asking us like they want some time to do the practicals. So that's the reason.
okay. So you will be helping us to create the RAG lab, everything in our
Yeah, we
laptop
will
as
do
well,
that.
right?
Yeah. So if
In
you
case
see
of
my
any.
screen, so
Yeah.
this is the setup of my PostgreSQL replication actually. But if you
Mhm.
see here, can you see in rack 1, rack 2, right? So these are
Yeah.
our rack setup which we are going to cover. Okay.
Okay. Sure. Okay. Thanks.
Yeah, thanks.
Hi Ankush, this side Vivek.
Yes, please.
Okay, so it will be in OCI or it will be in on-premise?
On premises. So for OCI, we have a different batches there. Okay. So there we discuss about the OCI only. Okay. But that's not a class of rack actually. Okay. OCI is very costly
Okay.
actually. If you want to do the practice on Oracle cloud actually, especially this rack,
Yes.
the whole fees will go into the lab only.
Oh, actually, I was trying to install RAC on IaaS, infrastructure as a service, but it got failed in last stage. I think maybe it is not supporting.
AWS does not support completely. What
No,
AWS
OCI.
OCI is there, na? It's there. It says there. We do that in our
Okay.
Oracle cloud infrastructure. There we help you to do the installation of Oracle RAC environment on OCI also. But we don't talk too much about the Oracle RAC there because the main
Yes.
agenda in OCI is like to talk about the OCI services. Here we talk about the Oracle RAC and same knowledge you can implement there then.
Okay, means is it possible to install RAC in infrastructure as a service, not platform as a service?
It's there.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Anyone? Question, guys? Okay. Okay. So we will provide you, like as someone asked, we will provide you the recordings also. Plus lab also will be provided. Plus we have a dedicated support team is also available. So by any chance, if you face any challenges while doing the practice, the one which I'm taking in the class, we have a dedicated support team is also available. So they will take your control and they will fix your issues also. Okay. And we will also discuss about a lot of interview questions. Okay. Interview questions and job assistance will be there along with this. Okay. So we'll take care of it. Okay. What some is saying? Okay. I'm currently unknown. Should I completely DBA first or later you can join? First you can complete your Oracle DBA. Once you are done with the Oracle DBA, you can join my next batch also. So we regularly take the Oracle RAC environment. Okay. So whenever you are done with your Oracle DBA, you can join our Oracle RAC also. Okay. Or if you want to like, because anyway, like if you want to just sit now, you can sit also, no problem. Okay. So because the terminologies which I'm going to use, the same terminologies I'll use in Oracle RAC also. So what my suggestion will be, just sit and you can repeat our batch also. Okay. Whenever we are going to start our next batch, you can repeat our next batch also. There are no additional charges for that. So you can enroll now, sit into my class. Anyway, the timings are different. Okay, so sit and then you can repeat it also. Meanwhile, so parallel you can go with Oracle DB as well as RAC also. Okay. So that will be extra good things for you. Okay. So yeah, so that's all about the Oracle RAC, guys. We are coming with the new batch, a brand new batch of Oracle RAC. If you want to know more about the Learnament, you can visit our YouTube channel also. So this is our YouTube channel. Let me share you with that. Okay, so if you go here, YouTube @Learnament. So if you go to this YouTube channel, you can see all our videos related to the Oracle, PostgreSQL, and many good things are there. So you can visit all these things. Okay, so that's something which is really good for you. Okay, so you can subscribe and you can learn a lot of free things are also available. Right now we are working on JNA, so you can see all these things. But that's me. Okay, so thank you so much for listening me, and see you in the class, and let's start with the Oracle RAC and get a good package, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Hopefully you enjoyed the session, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel also. Thank you so much. Bye bye. And please fill up the attendance form. By any chance, if you miss to do that, there is an attendance form which is available in the chat option. Please fill up that. And if you guys have any questions, queries, anything for me, you can directly reach out to this number. Let me share you. 919325408926, or you can email me info@learnomate.org. You can take a screenshot if you want. So you can just WhatsApp me on this number, or directly call me, or you can just email me if you are joining from outside. Okay. So yeah, thank you.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Actually, I'm late. I'm joined.
Okay, yes,
I'm Castor Mahmood. I am much more happy and very waiting Oracle RAC because I know RAC is a very important, and I have a good theoretically knowledge about RAC.
Acha.
So
Okay, nice.
let's see and let's fun in practical in RAC. So I'm interested. Sorry for late joining, but
No
I'm
problem. No
interested.
problem. You can do one thing. You can just WhatsApp this number, okay, or you can directly visit our Learnable website, or you can see there is a number available in the chat option. Okay. So
Okay.
you can
Actually, yeah. Actually, I have one more question. It's about Oracle RAC. Sorry for say. In Oracle RAC, ASM, I have a good knowledge about ASM because
Acha.
I'm working on ASM with the standalone server.
Okay.
So ASM can we attached every Oracle RAC instance, or ASM we are shared ASM with the Oracle RAC instance?
No, say ASM is not, it's not like a compulsory unit to use, but if you see any project, they will use the ASM only to store the data related to the databases. Okay.
Yeah.
Here
Yeah.
in this training, we are going to cover ASM also. So ASM is the part of the syllabus. Okay. We will cover ASM also. We are going to cover data card also. Both the things are there with this course.
Yeah. Yeah, actually ASM also very important because the ASM much more easy to transaction and performing balancing
Definitely,
transactions.
Because
So
when you install the grid software, in this grid you will get the ASM also, and you will get cluster based software also, which is your RAC. You will get it. So I will show you how to install the Oracle grid also. Okay, that is there.
Okay. Thank you.
And there is a question from Basha. Yeah, we are. If you are interested for PostgreSQL, you can reach out to me.
Yeah, Ankush, I have a small doubt.
Yeah, please.
Actually, I have watched your videos in the YouTube. You are excellent CoreDB and RAC. So that is why I joined today your demonstration.
Okay, nice.
So, and again, I had to brush up the RAC. So, already I have taken the course from the Hyderabad, Amirpet.
Acha.
So again, I need to, but not much knowledge of the rack. I have so rack and rack and also PostgreSQL. Both I have to learn. Ankush.
Great. So this screen, what you see now, it's a PostgreSQL only. This one, which I am running now. So I was just before this rack class, I was taking the PostgreSQL only. So this is a PostgreSQL class.
Okay.
And the knowledge, the good thing about the PostgreSQL with me especially, because I'm coming from Oracle background. So whenever I talk about the PostgreSQL, I compare with the Oracle. So 95% people in our PostgreSQL are Oracle DBA people only. So they like to compare with the Oracle. Like in Oracle,
I am following daily your videos, Ankush. That's why I contact you with you today.
Thank you so much. Hope you like the video which are available on the YouTube channel.
Every day I am watching your videos, Ankush.
I'm doing the same thing now. I don't have other work. Daily I'm recording something over there. So many things, like if you see here, so many things we have recorded here. Okay.
Yes, Ankush. Postgre and Rack, both I need to join the Ankush.
Okay, nice. No worries. You can join immediately. You can just call me on my number which I given you, right?
Yes, Ankush.
Or you can
call you.
Yeah, no problem. You can fill up the form or directly WhatsApp me on this number. I'll let you know. Okay.
Yes, Ankush.
Thank you. Yeah. Anyone? Oh, nice. So thank you. Like it's like almost 1 lakh people who are impressed with our training, and hopefully you will be the next one. So yeah, we are doing really good job in our database administration especially. So thank you so much for billing us and joining this session. Hopefully you learned something with the today's lecture also. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Let's connect in the class of Oracle RAC with the practical scenarios now. Thank you so much. Bye bye.